there's a process in the behavioral treatment literature in which the purpose of the elopement is examined systematically. That process is called functional analysis, or functional assessment is sometimes used to refer to one form of and functional analysis is one form of functional assessment. And the functional assessment is there to understand the reasons behind elopement for any individual child. Because the truth is, kids elope for lots of different reasons. That's one of the things that can make things so difficult from an intervention standpoint is that, if you go to, let's say someone goes to the store and the child elopes, it's really hard to figure out why elopement happened that one time for that in that specific instance. It could be because you walked past the candy aisle and the child's running towards the candy. It could be because there was a noise that they didn't like and they ran away from that. It can be because they were not getting attention right then. It could be because somebody made a face. There's just too many things going on at once. And so functional analysis is the process by which we kind of isolate all of those variables and try to understand elopement for that individual child. And what we know from that process is that most kids are eloping because it is either getting them access to something or getting something else to go away that they don't like. So access to something can be things like literal tangible items. It can be a preferred toy. It can be a snack. It could be a person's attention, right? And they're running because they receive that as they've learned that if they elope, they're more likely to get that, or they see something that they want. Other kids run away from things because they've learned that they can escape or they can successfully avoid something that they don't like. And so I've had kids who elope because maybe there's a fire alarm and they find that sound really aversive and so they run away, or they're in school and they're given an assignment and they run away. So thinking about it almost in terms of gain and escape are two of the main categories that you're thinking about from an intervention standpoint. Understanding what is the child either gaining or escaping or avoiding helps to understand what to do from a management standpoint and how one might come up with strategies to try to address it over time.